family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. Today's video is so great because the remedies that I put together and use on my hair, just from the first use, my hair feels so different. It feels so healthy. And after using it, I throw my hair into my bun. As you guys can see, my bun is looking so big. And my hair just feels so amazing. As you guys know, we are on a 6 months hair growth challenge. Now, there are so many Ayurvedic herbs out there for healthy hair and then healthy scalp. But if you are looking mainly for hair growth and healthy hair at the same time, then this video is for you, because this little DIY that I put together is mainly on hair growth. The ingredients that I use, the herbs that I use is strictly for hair growth and healthy hair. So our 6 months challenge that we are on, I told you guys that we will be using Ayurvedic treatment at least once a month or twice a month. Now, I'm sticking to that. Also over that, I'm taking my Biotin hair, skin, and nails vitamins. Now, personally, this vitamin is, I'm running a sale on it because I want you guys to also have access to it. It normally go for $19. It is presently $12 for it. And if you buy like 5 butters, you will get extra one free, just so we all can complete our 6 months hair growth challenge. Now, apart from me taking my hair, skin, and nails vitamin, I'm also taking very great care of my hair. I'm on my regular hair routine. I'm taking my hair down every 3 to 4 days to re-moisturize it in between wash day. This wash day that my hair is looking like this, I use a really miracle ingredient. Now, the first ingredient that I'm going to talk about in this video is Amla. For some of you guys who don't know, Amla is a hair booster or hair growth booster. If you are trying to grow your hair and you are new to Ayurvedic and you don't know which Ayurvedic herb to start with for hair growth, I highly recommend Amla to you. Now, after Amla, I also highly recommend Fenugreek to you. Fenugreek, there are so many ways you can make it. You can use your Fenugreek spritz. You can use your Fenugreek mask. Now, some people have problem with the fenugreek smell because they say it smells something like syrup. To me, not really. If that's the case, then you can go in with some essential oils. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I put this amazing mask together. And if I'm telling you, if you put this mask together the way I did it, and you use it at least once a week for 4 to 6 weeks, you will see a drastic difference in your hair. Because I have only used it 2 times now, and I can also see how my hair is getting so thick. My hair is feeling so thick, and I'm going to continue using this. Now, in all my Ayurvedic treatment, I'm going to add Amla to it, and I'm going to add fenugreek to it. If I don't add it to the ingredient that week, the next week, I will do something with Amla and fenugreek. So let me just show you guys all the ingredients that I have here. But before doing that, I'm still in the Miss Jet Set competition. I'm still in the running. We did the top 15 models, top 10. Now I'm into the top 10, 2 days for now, or since this video will upload tomorrow. So one day from now, they will drop another 5 models and drop it down to top 5. They have been a really competitive competition. I'm still sitting there in my second position, which is a little bit weird because for the past 3 days I was in the first position, and since then I'm just stuck in the second position. No matter how much votes that come in, no matter how much money people are paying, I'm still stuck in the second position. But all I can say is that we shouldn't give up. Let's just keep pushing. So please make sure that you are still putting in your free daily votes. And I also was on our interview. I went on Hot FM on a live 30 minutes interview in Liberia, and it was so amazing. And I also see a lot of votes coming in, so I know it's from all of you guys, all of my loved ones, my friends, and just support from all of you guys. It's just so amazing. So I just want to tell you guys thank you so much. This is a long process, but we're still going through it. Voting still continue until February 24th, as long as I stay in the first position. Now, after the top 5 models, if I'm still in my second position, then I will have to drop out of the competition, because they are only going to choose the top one after the top 5 models. So please try to put in those daily votes. I really need it. Okay, finally, so let me just show you guys all the ingredients that I have for this recipe. It's something, it's simple to do if I'm behind the camera, but if I'm showing it to you guys, it will take a little bit of time. But the number one ingredient is my Amla powder. I got my Amla powder in here. So I will be showing you guys exactly how to do it. And then if you want, you can also mix it with bring rush powder if you don't have fenugreek powder. Another thing you can also mix it with too is your henna powder. All of these Ayurvedic herbs, they are amazing. Another thing I added into my recipe was my MSM powder for extra sulfur. And then I also melted down some shea butter. Now my company also sells shea butter, so I also melted down some shea butter, and I also threw it into this recipe. Now for our solution, I use my aloe vera juice. If you don't have aloe vera juice, you can be very creative. You can use warm water. You can use coconut milk. You can just be creative. You can even use coffee, because you guys know I'm a big fan of using coffee on my hair. You can take your hot water, put like 2 tablespoons of coffee in it, get your brew coffee, your warm coffee. You can also use that to mix your max together. And then I also got my fenugreek powder. Now I'll be adding in my growth oil. This is my S Secret. It's in my S Secret growth oil butter, but this is 3 different oils in here. This is my S Secret oil, my carrot oil, and my caffeine growth oil. Remember I told you guys I was going to mix the 3 oils together. It's 3 of them I mixed in here. And then I will also be going in with my rosemary oil. I also went in with my rosemary essential oil. Now rosemary essential oil is very, very great also for hair growth. There was a study that shows that rosemary oil work as great as minoxidil. If you don't know what minoxidil is, it's a common hair growth remedies that people use to regrow their hair, but with side effects and chemicals and things like that. But with rosemary oil, it's also very great. If you are suffering from hair growth problems, you must mix it up because it's very potent. You have to dilute it down with a carrier oil and then just massage it into your hair. Give yourself that good massage for blood circulation and all of that. So this is what I use for this hair mask, and it was just so amazing. I'm also going to use this hair mask again for my next wash day. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made it, and I don't know if I will show how I apply it on my hair because I don't want this video to be too long. But after using it, this is how my hair is looking. I can feel the instant changes in my hair. So if you are looking for hair growth, you are following me on this hair growth challenge, make sure that you use this ingredient because I promise you it works. It really works. We are done putting together our amazing miracle hair growth treatment. I would recommend that you apply this after your shampoo or your conditioner. Use this as a deep conditioner treatment just so that you are applying it on clean scalp so it can better penetrate your hair and your scalp for it to do what it's supposed to do. And since this is of mask, if you apply this treatment and after that if you find it to be a little bit dry into your hair or it is a little bit strong, mine, I didn't have to go in with any deep conditioner treatment. Then you can go in with a moisturizing deep conditioner or a rinse out conditioner. But as for me, when I use this, after that I just rinse it out and then I went in and moisturized my hair using the LCO method. I will also leave that video down in the description box to show you how I moisturize my hair, and my hair feels so amazing.